Hello everyone, this is a quick gone in 60-second brief on unboxing of Chigee AIO-5 Lite that I ordered and I received it today. Quick unboxing of it. Chigee is very famous in motorcyclists these days, especially BMW. So what I ordered was a screen protector. This came free, the tire pressure monitor. I also ordered this 256 gauge, which is maximum capacity. Box is very nice, very well made. Instructions are there. Chigee device looks solid, very well made. Cables are very high quality. At least there are two cameras with solid, robust bases and good cables. The two boxes inside. Box A, what's inside? A goodie cables, more cables. And box B, these are mounts, etc. to mount this Chigee on your motorcycle. I am quickly installing my 256 card, and that's it, gentlemen. That's Chigee. There will be more detailed review of Chigee coming up in one of the upcoming episodes.